plumbers of the world, good morning. Good afternoon, actually. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly, all while training my two sons, who are not here today, the trade. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Consider following this journey as I train my two sons in everyday plumbing. For today's adventure, this could be ugly. This is a rental flip, a couple minor leaks on a sink. We'll see you when we get there. Let's go see what we got. These faucets are really tired. So I'm in here for a little drip, which we all know is probably going to be the pop-up. And look at them slip eyes. But what I did notice is my favorite toilet. Oh my God. Terrible. I hate these things. I hope it doesn't leak. I just wanted to stop and take a look, but it seems minor. And so we're going to try and fix it. This looks cross-threaded. Let's see what we can do here. Let's see what we can do here, everybody. Let's run some water. A couple things here. The heat's off. I'm waiting for the gasket to turn back on. Did I already find a leak? Missing this clip right here. Oh, there it is. I see the drip drip. Ah, yeah, look at that. Come on down there.
Alrighty.
Do you have a local electrician that you recommend?
Yeah. Frankie Phillips.
Frankie Phillips?
Yeah.
Is that what I'll find him under?
I can text you
Alright.
your wife's the number.
No, he is.
Second hole. Come on now. Be nice. Be nice to me. Be nice. Come on. There we go. We gotta wrestle with this trap. We gotta wrestle with this. Guess what? I think this is why it leaked, because there's a little bit of pressure on this, on an angle. That's what it looks like to me. It's got a little side pressure here. Let's everybody tighten everything up here. Let's give it a test. There we go. Still leaking. Oh boy. Say it ain't so. dried out. All right. All right, boys and girls. Here we go. We got no lights, no electricity, no heat in here. I'm trying to get them to pass ground inspection right now. I'm getting pissed off. This is why I hate working for the rentals. Okay. But I still love plumbing. All this plastic crap. Should you? I can't do it now. What? Like I was saying, I can get it tightened up and it's coming, you know what I mean? There's no doubt. Just like this thing here. Christmas. Oh, Lord. Let's do this. Tighten her up. This is leaking. Come on now. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Alright.
Alright, we just knocked out that service call for a real estate flip. A rental flip. I'll be honest with you. That's all I used to do was service work like that. And I don't miss it. Because what I really want to do is put a new set of kitchen faucets in. And the pop-up thing. I've done, I don't know, 3 or 4 recently. And they're just getting on my last nerve that... How many sets of faucets can you stock on the truck? Alright, let's say I had a set of kitchen faucets. I like the Moen with the long lap supplies. Pull out. I like nickel. There's chrome. So I gotta keep 2 pair of each. 2 pair of each for lavatories. And here's my luck. Tell me what you guys think. They sit in my truck. They bounce all around. They don't get used. I could keep them in my shop, but I had to come back to my shop anyway today, but you know what I mean? It's a toss-up. Do I give them a price, go get exactly what we want, or do I carry it, hopefully they have it, and possibly be a little banged up, or not exactly what they want, or it's chrome and they want nickel. Oh, so many options. And with that, the options for today right now is we're done for the day, and we'll see you at the next one. Thanks for tuning in, everybody.